Hi dolphins! Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are learning a new letter and a new sound of the week. Hope you're ready. Close your eyes. Dun da da! Our letter and sound of the week is V. And the sound that V makes is mm. Can I show you quickly? You make your mouth like this. And you can sometimes feel as the air is coming out of your mouth. It tickles your lips. Let's try again. Okay, good. You can practice a little more later. You ready for the story? Okay, so this guy, his name is Vic, and he drives a van. And can you see this girl in the shop? Her name is Val, and she owns a vegetable shop. And they all live in a village. So the story goes that Vic drives his van through the village, waving to his friend. He drives past Val's vegetable shop, and as he's driving, his van makes the sound. Yes. Let's look at the pictures for a little while. There's Vic in his van. There's Val in her vegetable shop, and he's driving around the village. Good. Now let's get ready to sing the song. So the actions for the song is driving a van. So everybody get ready, get your vans ready, and we're gonna move our hands this way. Ready? Try big stand round the village. Try big stand round the village. Try big stand round the village. Let's do that by ourselves slower so that you can learn the words. Get ready, get your van. Try big span round the village. Try big span round the village. Try big span round the village. That's good, dolphins. Okay, now that we did the picture and the actions and the story, now let's practice to write the letter B and the sound V. Because we're writing the baby one, we start in the middle. So get your magic fingers up. Mine is ready. And we go down and up. It's like half a W or half the W sound. Let's do it one more time. Start in the middle, magic finger, down and up. That's so good. Let's try and write it with our magnet writing. Let me find it. Okay, so we start with our ball on the top and we go down and up. Let's try that one more time. We go down and up. There we go. Time to write it on a page. Look, what color am I using this week? So we're starting right in the middle. So the line is, we're not starting on the top line. We're starting in the middle line right here. And we go down to the ground and up. See? Let's do one more. Start in the middle line. We go down to the ground and up. Okay, now that we did the writing, I want us to look at some pictures that start with the sound. Here we are. So we're going to be learning some pictures. We're going to be seeing some pictures that start with the V sound. V, van. V, vase. What is this? That's right, vampire. This is not a doctor. This is a special type of person who helps sick animals. He is like a doctor only for animals. He is a vet. Vet. So if you get sick, you go to the doctor. But if your puppy gets sick, he goes to the vet. Let's look at the next picture. Vest. This is an item of clothing that you wear on your body. Let's think, Dolphin. Do you wear this on the bottom or the top? You know. This machine helps us clean our house. Vacuum. Do you have a vacuum at home? Do you help use it? These people are coming to see someone who lives inside that house. They are here for a visit. Visit. They're coming to see the people and they're going to go back to their own houses. So they don't live there, they just came to visit. Let's practice a little bit more. The 4 pictures at the bottom, only 3 start with the V sound. Can you show me which ones? Yes. Vacuum. Good. Next one. Vest. Oh, that just shut up. Vegetable. What about this here? This is a house. It does not belong in the sound. Okay, dolphins, that's the end. So what you can do now is you can do your workbook and you can do some writing and you can check around the house if there's anything that you see that starts with the sound, and you can take a picture with it or you can keep it. And on Friday, when we have our meeting, our class, you can show it to me. All right, don't forget, have fun, do your best, and I miss you guys.